Hello, my dear students. I hope you all are fine. Today, we will continue lesson number 7, page number 76 of your English 1 book. So, students, in the previous class, we have already completed exercise till exercise 4 and 5, and I gave you exercise 6 as homework. I hope you have done it. Let me just repeat the answer, repeat the exercise so that you can match your answers with what you have written in your book. Okay. So this is a paragraph and a few words are missing in between and the options are given below. You have to write the right options in the blanks which are given there. When I entered the supermarket, there were a lot of people. Some people were looking at the things. So you'll write were looking at the things. Some people dashed the things to the bill counter. Some people were taking the things to the bill counter. A man dashed a salesman about the discounts. A man was asking a salesman about the discounts. Mother dashed the groceries. Mother was buying the groceries. Father dashed up fruits and vegetables. Father was picking up fruits and vegetables. I dash all the things in a trolley. I was putting all the things in a trolley. Now, exercise number 7, page number 76, grammar points. So, students, whenever we have to ask a question in past continuous tense, we will always use was or were. If there is a single person, then we'll use was, and if there are many people, then we'll use were. Okay. So was and were is used to make questions in past continuous tense, or in between as well we can use was or were. Now question number 7, ask questions with WH words to get these answers. So we have to ask questions, WH questions to get these answers. So the answers are already written. We have to write the questions in past continuous form. So first one is already done. Rajesh was working at 9 p.m. So the answer is, the question is, what was Rajesh doing at 9 p.m. Now number 2, Joe was reading a book. So what will we write? What was Joe reading? Right? What was Joe reading? Number 3, we were waiting for Dolly. So what question you'll make with it? Whom were you waiting for? WHOM. Whom were you waiting for? Number 4, he was walking home because the tire got punctured. So what will you write? Why was he walking home? Why was he walking to home? Number 5, I was going to my friend's house. So what question you'll make? Where were you going? You'll write where were you going? Number 6, they were living at Patna before they came here. So what will you write here? We'll write where were they living before? You'll write where were they living before? Now 8th question is read the passage and answer the questions that follow. So we have to read the questions and we have to read the passage which is already given, and then answer the questions which are given below. It was a fine Sunday morning. The sun was shining brightly. Daddy was getting ready for his morning walk. Mother was feeding the pets. I had just woken up. I was lazing around. Betty was still sleeping. Just then the phone rang. It was Uncle Jacob. He said he was coming home with Joe and Jane. He was planning to take us all for an outing. I quickly woke up Betty. Soon she was ready and we were waiting at the door to receive them. So now question number 1 is what day was it? So the answer is it was Sunday. Number 2, what was mother doing? Mother was feeding the pets. What was mother doing? Mother was feeding the pets. Number 3, what was father doing? Father was getting ready for his morning walk. Number 4, who was still sleeping? So we'll write Betty was sleeping. Number 5, whom were they waiting for? So the answer is they were waiting for whom? Uncle Jacob and Joe and Jane. right? We'll waiting for Uncle Jacob and Joe and Jane. Okay, so we have completed this lesson number 7 now, and in our next class we'll begin lesson number 8, verbs future tense. Till then, I want you to revise all the chapters which have been taught, and in the next Zoom class I will take your oral test, so be ready for it. Okay, we have our whenever we have our Zoom class, be ready. I will be taking your oral test. Okay, take care. Bye bye.